But gear is only half the story. The other half is... Today, we're unboxing one of the best investments you can make. If you're serious about becoming a professional videographer or camera operator, this is the level of gear that's often expected as a minimum standard. Let's see what's inside the box, and I'll share why this setup is so important for starting a career in videography. Let's start with the cinema line. Manual, camera body, the top handle with professional XLR inputs, battery charger, and battery. Now we go to the lens. For the Sony 2470 G Master lens. You'll get the lens itself, the hood. Everything here is designed for professionals. Just reliable tools you'll use every day. If you followed my iPhone masterclass, we've already covered the basics. ISO, aperture, shutter speed, white balance, lenses composition, and frame rates. That knowledge is your foundation. Once you've practiced those skills, the natural step forward is to move into professional cinema cameras, like this, where you can start making a living. When you step into professional work, whether it's corporate events, weddings, festival, or official projects, clients expect you to show up with reliable industry standard tools. The Sony FX3 with the 2470 G Master is a respected combination and often the bare minimum to be part of a serious team. But gear is only half the story. The other half is preparation. Professionals always bring extra batteries, high-speed cards, backup storage, and reliable audio equipment. That's what separates a hobbyist from a paid operator. Extra batteries, audio. Another reason I recommend the FX3 as the minimum standard, it's because of its sensor performance. It's a full frame sensor that's extremely powerful in low light. Even in dark environments, you get clean footage with minimal noise, which is a huge advantage for events where lighting isn't always ideal. XLR handle. This handle lets you plug in professional microphones directly, so you can record clean audio for interviews, speeches, or panel discussion. But also, this type of mic is more than enough. Something professional client always expect: Sony 2470 f2.8 G Master. This is basically 4 lenses in one. The 24 is for wide establishing shot, the 35 medium natural perspective, the 50 portraits and interviews, 70 close-up details. With just this lens, you're ready to cover almost any event. Media storage. One thing I can't stress enough, don't cheap out on memory cards. The FX3 supports CF Express Type A cards. They give you the speed and reliability you need to record 4K, 120 frames per second, slow motion, or S-Log3. SD card can work for lighter formats, but for professional jobs, always go with CF Express. And always have a backup workflow. After every shoot, transfer your footage to reliable SSD on site. That way, if a card fails, you don't risk losing client footage. Another reason I recommend the Sony FX3 is compatibility with other professionals. When you're working on production, you'll often be side by side with other camera operators. Most of them will be using the same system, either the FX3, FX6, or the A7S3. That means your footage will match their color science, dynamic range, and low light performance. For editors, this makes the workflow so much smoother because they don't waste time trying to match footage from completely different systems. And when you show up with the same gear as the rest of the team, you immediately gain trust and credibility. If you want to go beyond basic coverage, and add that cinematic edge to your work? Pairing the setup with the DJI Ronin RS4 Pro is a game changer. It stabilizes your shots beautifully, letting you create smooth walking shots, sweeping movements, or dynamic tracking shots that look likely they belong in a film. It's not mandatory for starting out, but it makes a big difference if you want to stand out. So, if you want to take videography seriously and actually make a living from it, the Sony FX3 and the 24G Master are incredible starting point. Add in the Ronin RS4 Pro for cinematic shots, and you're already operating at a professional level. And remember, this isn't just about owning the gear. Success comes from being prepared, delivering reliable results, and constantly improving your craft. This is the path from being a beginner to becoming a trusted professional in field. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.